位置喺炮台山啊，呢個係北角中心大廈。咁啊，見到有個 shopping mall 仔嘅，咁入去望一望啦。This is Fortress Hill, and I'm not sure what's the English name of this little arcade. Anyway, I think it's called a Kings Park Lane. Maybe not. There's a computer shop. 賣電腦用品嘅。有間書店賣 CD。So I see a bookshop, CD shop. There's another one selling computer products. And these are all closed. 咁呢度全部都閂晒門啦。呢個就賣手機用品。This one is for mobile accessories, mobile phone accessories.咁其實出面咧都有一啲鋪頭仔啊，有銀行啊，有嘢食啊，有賣衫咁樣。Outside of this shopping arcade, there are a few shops as well, including banks, properties agent, fast food shop, and a boutique. There are also some more takeaway restaurants here. Okay, so I will go back in and carry on my walkthrough. 咁我會行返入去啦，咁啊完成埋我個 walkthrough。呢個原來可能呢個先係正名啊，英皇柏麗大道柏麗中心。英皇柏麗大道購物中心。唔好意思啊。咁音樂比較大聲。剛才呢度行過嘅。賣錶嘅watch shop, optical shop, selling eyeglasses, and the music is quite loud, so yeah, I need to just say something to cover it. and that's a jewelry shop， 珠寶店嚟嘅。咁啊，剛才好似見到仲有另外一個出口嘅，咁就睇下兜唔兜到翻過去先。Just now, when I have walked past another exit, but I'm not sure if I can find that, if I can see that again. Anyway. Oh, okay. So this is the Fortress Hill Road. 咁啊，原來出咗嚟呢度係炮台山道。好啦，咁啊呢個分享就嚟到呢度啦。咁啊雖然有啲無聊，咁但係都讓大家知道其實香港有啲乜嘢唔同嘅購物商場啦。So just to let you know what kinds of shopping malls Hong Kong has got. Some of them are beautiful, but some of them, like this one, I don't want to comment. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. 咁啊，多謝大家，我哋下段片再見啦，拜拜。